What advice do you have for the young women who are here today in terms of how to get where they want to be professionally and personally?
Well, you always need to focus on what it is that makes you happy and what you want to do, and stop thinking about what do I need to do to be successful here? What is everyone else doing that makes them, and therefore I need to do that? Because I've just found in life is too short. You've got to enjoy what you're doing. So if what it takes to be successful in some organization is something you don't want to do, go find something different, because it is not worth giving up your life. And I found that, again, a lot in the legal career, men and women, by the way, who said, I just want to be partner, and they're miserable. They're miserable the whole time. And I said, why do you want to be partner again? Because, just so you can keep doing more of this stuff that's making you miserable. And you find so many people wait too long until they finally go, I don't know what I was thinking. I was achieving a goal that was making me miserable along the way. Mm-hmm. So I think you've got to enjoy. Now, that doesn't mean that everything you're doing every day, is always blissful and that you don't have to work hard. But if you don't fundamentally like what you're doing now, I think you should find something different. And stop trying to overthink how you get from here to there, and more think about, how do I enjoy life? And how do I get the most for what I like doing?